What if I told you the part of the pomegranate you always throw away might actually be the most powerful part? Yeah, the peel. And it might be doing more for your skin, heart, and even your brain than the fruit itself. Most of us eat the juicy seeds and toss the peel without thinking twice. But research suggests that thick red peel is packed with powerful compounds your body loves. So today, we're breaking down 9 surprising benefits of pomegranate peels, based on real studies, but explained in a simple, practical way you can actually use. 1. May help treat some skin conditions. Pomegranate peels are packed with antioxidants and plant compounds. These help calm skin irritation, fight damage from the sun, and support skin repair. So instead of your skin breaking down faster, it gets more protection and balance. Imagine you've been dealing with dark patches on your skin or small acne marks that just won't fade. Some early research suggests pomegranate peel masks or extracts may help those areas look lighter and clearer over time with regular use. Sounds surprising, right? Something most people throw away could actually help your skin. In one small study with 30 people who had dark skin patches, using pomegranate masks and serum daily for about a month helped reduce those dark areas, and there were no bad side effects reported. There's also early research suggesting it may help with acne, UV sun damage, and even skin aging. In animal studies, it even helped wounds heal faster. But right now, most of these findings are still early, so we need stronger human studies to really confirm it. 2. May reduce the risk of chronic diseases. When your body has too much inflammation, high blood sugar, or unhealthy cholesterol levels, your long-term risk for disease goes up. Pomegranate peel compounds may help calm inflammation and support healthier blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Imagine someone who is trying to manage their health. Maybe they're overweight or struggling with blood sugar levels. Small changes like improving diet or adding natural plant extracts may help their numbers move in a better direction over time. And this is where it gets interesting. Something as simple as fruit peel extract showed real changes in early studies. In one small 30-day study, people with overweight and obesity took 1,000 milligrams of pomegranate peel extract. Their cholesterol and blood sugar levels improved, likely because of reduced inflammation in the body. In another study with 37 people who had type 2 diabetes, those who took 500 milligrams daily saw better results in blood pressure, cholesterol, and long-term blood sugar control compared to a placebo group. So overall, early research shows promising improvements in key health markers. 3. May protect against hearing loss. As we age, tiny cells in our inner ear can slowly get damaged over time. One big reason is something called oxidative stress, basically, wear and tear inside the body. Pomegranate peels are rich in antioxidants, which may help reduce that damage and protect these cells. Think about it. Someone starts needing to turn the TV louder than before, or they struggle to hear clearly in noisy places. That gradual decline is often linked to aging and long-term cell damage. Now imagine this. What if something as simple as a fruit peel could help slow that process? In studies on mice, compounds from pomegranate peels showed promising results in protecting hearing cells from damage. So it might help reduce age-related hearing loss. But while the early science looks interesting, we still need much more evidence before any real conclusions can be made. 4. May improve brain function. As we age, the brain can become affected by oxidative stress, which is basically damage from daily wear and tear. This kind of stress is linked to memory decline and conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Pomegranate peels are rich in antioxidants, which may help protect brain cells from that damage. Think about someone who starts forgetting small things more often, like names, appointments, or where they place their keys. Over time, protecting brain health becomes more and more important for daily life and independence. And here's the interesting part. Early research suggests a simple plant extract might support sharper thinking, Several animal studies show promising results when pomegranate peel extract is given, suggesting better brain protection and function. In one human study with 36 healthy adults, a supplement containing pomegranate peel extract, combined with other plant compounds, helped improve cognitive performance. There's also the idea that it may support people with conditions like Alzheimer's by reducing oxidative stress, but this is still only a theory based on early research. So overall, the results look encouraging, but we still need much more human research to fully understand its effects on the brain. 5. May have cancer-fighting properties. Pomegranate peels contain powerful plant compounds called polyphenols, especially one called punicolagon. These compounds may help slow down abnormal cell growth and support the body's natural defenses. Now imagine this. Certain cells in the body start behaving abnormally and spreading too fast. Scientists are studying natural plant compounds that might help slow that process down in its earliest stages. And this is where things get really interesting. Early lab studies are showing some strong effects, but there's still more to understand. In test tube studies, pomegranate peel extract has shown the ability to trigger the death of prostate cancer cells, something that's considered promising in early research. It has also shown anti-proliferative effects in breast, oral, and colon cancer cells, meaning it may help slow their growth. Some studies even suggest possible effects on liver cancer cells, along with liver-protecting benefits thanks to its high antioxidant content. But here's the important part. While these early results are promising, pomegranate peel is not a treatment. Scientists still need a lot more research to understand its true role in cancer prevention or therapy. 6. May improve dental health. Many dental problems, like plaque, cavities, and gum issues, start with bacteria in the mouth. Pomegranate peels have natural antibacterial compounds that may help reduce these harmful bacteria and keep your mouth cleaner. Think about brushing your teeth, but still dealing with plaque buildup or occasional gum irritation. That's because bacteria can still stick around in hard-to-reach areas. Now imagine if a natural mouth rinse could help fight those bacteria even more. In one study with 30 healthy volunteers, using a mouth rinse with pomegranate peel helped reduce plaque buildup, although the results weren't very strong. Another study with 50 people found that a similar mouth rinse helped prevent tooth decay. There's also evidence that pomegranate peel extract has strong antibacterial effects, which may help with common tooth and gum problems. 7. Has antibacterial properties. Bacteria are often the cause of infections, sore throats, and slow-healing wounds. Pomegranate peels contain natural compounds that may help stop the growth of these harmful bacteria. Think about it. When you get a sore throat or a small cut, if bacteria start to grow, it can make things worse or slow down healing. That's why keeping those areas clean and protected is so important. And this is where traditional remedies meet modern science. In some cultures, pomegranate peel is used as a mouth rinse to help soothe sore throats. Science does support its strong antibacterial activity, meaning it can help fight infection-causing bacteria. So while it does have strong antibacterial properties, there's still no solid evidence that it can directly treat sore throats in humans. 8. May help treat rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis happens when the immune system mistakenly attacks the joints, causing pain, swelling, and stiffness. A big part of this process is inflammation. Pomegranate peels are rich in antioxidants, which may help calm that inflammation and protect joint tissue. Think about someone who wakes up with stiff, painful joints, especially in the morning. Simple movements like opening a jar or holding a cup can feel uncomfortable. Reducing inflammation could make daily life a bit easier. And here's where it gets interesting. Early research suggests this fruit peel might help protect your joints. In one study, a compound in pomegranate peel called punicolagon helped reduce joint inflammation and protect cartilage in mice with arthritis. Another animal study found that a mix of natural compounds, including pomegranate peel, helped delay the onset of arthritis and reduced symptoms. These findings are based on animal studies, not human trials. So while it shows potential, more research in people is needed before we can draw solid conclusions. 9. May help prevent bone loss. As we age, our bones can slowly become weaker and lose density. This increases the risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. Pomegranate peels are rich in antioxidants, which may help protect bone cells and support the formation of new bone. Think about it. As someone gets older, they often become more careful with their movements. A simple fall that once meant nothing could now lead to a serious injury. That's why keeping bones strong becomes more important over time. Now here's something surprising. Even fruit peels might play a role in protecting your bones. Early research and animal studies have shown that pomegranate peel, along with other parts of the fruit, helped prevent bone loss in mice. Some findings also suggest it may support the formation of new bone tissue, likely due to its high antioxidant content. These results are still based on early and animal research, so more human studies are needed to confirm whether it works the same way in people. Here's something cool. The peel actually contains more antioxidants than the juice itself. Yep, the part you throw away might be the most powerful part of the fruit. If you want to use it, you can dry the peel, grind it into powder, and make tea, or simply get it as a ready-made supplement. So here's the takeaway. Pomegranate peels aren't just waste. They're packed with compounds that may support your skin, heart, brain, and overall health. Simple, natural, powerful. But remember, while studies are promising, it's always smart to check with a professional before adding anything new to your routine. If this surprised you, you're not alone. So next time you eat a pomegranate, maybe don't throw the peel away just yet. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which benefit surprised you the most?